friends, welcome to Nifty Indicators. It is easy to make money. It is easy to make money if you follow the indicators. Today, I'm going to tell you how to make a lot of money, how to make a lot of profit. If you follow what I'm telling you, you will end up being a multimillionaire. I have been teaching this thing to my students for years together now. I have been following this thing for years together, and then I have been teaching this thing to my friends and followers and students for years together. Even now I'm teaching. Watch this video. If you have got any doubt, get back to me. See, what I do is I use 6 indicators. Most of them you can see here. Super Trend, PSAR, Bollinger Band, EMA Cross, RSI and MACD. These are the 6 indicators I use, and mostly I use them in a combo, in combination with each other. Whenever any undertaking goes below 30, it is on a oversold zone, and when it starts moving above 30, that is the time to buy, and vice versa. Whenever it goes above 70, it's an overbought zone, and whenever it starts coming down from 70, it is the sell time. And once you take that trade, if it is supported by PSAR, Super Trend, EMA Cross, Bollinger Band, etc., then it is trending. Today, for example, in the morning, first thing in the morning at 9:15, Nifty RSI gave a buy signal. It went up, made more than 150 plus points, and from there it gave a sell signal and came down, and again it gave you another 150 points. This you might say that it is one off only today. No, you can see here I have just picked up a few random charts. You can see them, and you will realize it is possible time and again. Every now and then you get the chance. You need to wait for the chance patiently, and you will be able to make big money. See this on 23rd of June 2022. This is on 8th of June 2022. This is 30th of May 2022. This is 8th of March 2022. This is 4th of March 2022. 3rd of March 2022. This is, you see, what actually happens is it may or may not be possible each day, or it may be, it will give you such opportunity a few times a day. That depends. And all these things, for day trading, I use 5 minutes chart. You might say that this is only for day trading. No, if you see this chart, this is from 22nd of January 2021 to 6th of February 2021, almost 15 days and 1,000 points. If you see here, this is 1st of August to 22nd of August. Again, huge profit. You might think that it is only for Nifty. No, this is for any underlying. If you see here, this is from 10th of October 2021 to 2nd of December 2021, Bank Nifty PSAR. Earlier it had given huge buying, and then it gave a sell signal and give you a big opportunity to sell. Hope you will use this and make big money. If you need any help, any assistance, feel free to call me. I'm always available on 737267210. I'm always glad to be of any help. The end goal is I want you to make big profit. I want you to be multimillionaire. Please feel free to call me. Before saying goodbye, I would like to remind you, please watch all the earlier videos that I have posted, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our videos. Thank you very much. Goodbye.